What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. I'm having to do this a little bit different. I'm having some pretty severe computer problems. It keeps crashing on me, but there's some important information that you guys need to hear. I am very certain that we're going to cross $100,000 BTC this week. This would not surprise me at all. And this is obviously something that's going to be very significant for altcoins in a big way, and I want to talk about this. But at the same time, something very scary is happening in terms of ADA right now. What I mean by that is it's scary for those who have not picked up their ADA positions yet. So I want to have this discussion with you guys. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So right now, at the time of filming this video, ADA's chopping. It's kind of around that $3, $4 range. Not surprising. We're trying to see where our support is as we get into the early part of the week. And BTC is doing something very similar. All right, we're chopping around 98K or so. And we're basically prepping to get into this moment where we see a significant surge in buying over the course of the week. Now, why I'm saying that is institutional money has been a large accumulator of BTC as of late. I'm sure you guys have seen this. We're coming off of the largest week of institutional money ever. And this isn't a trend that's really going to slow down. They've just started dipping their toes in, and we know that buying pressure is going to continue to increase. And the crazy thing about this is at the same time that this is happening, that they're buying in a big way, we're also reaching all-time lows in terms of available BTC in the market. Exchange supply has dwindled very, very quickly. Over-the-counter balances are obsolete. And now we're at this point where supply shock is starting to hit Bitcoin a lot faster than I think what people are realizing. And this is a trend that is likely to continue. Now, what this means is that, again, BTC $100,000 is a stone throw away. It's probably going to happen very quickly. And maybe even by the time this video comes out, we've already crossed it. Who knows what happens, right? But I think alts are going to act in a very distinct way to this, all right? Six-figure BTC, I think, is this moment for the market to really start heating up in a big way. And it's going to bring a lot more optics to the space. You're going to start seeing some of that capital flow into alts like we've talked about, basically this alt season trigger. That may be the moment where this does in fact take off and we see things like ADA start to perform really well. And ADA has already shown us that when new capital is flowing into the market, it tends to perform quite well. It's a point of excitement for a lot of new people entering the space. Now, what is interesting about this and this very scary thing that's happening for ADA is that we have actually seen this significant removal of supply when it does in fact come to ADA. My arm's hurting, guys, sorry. So what we've actually seen is over the last 3 days, while ADA has actually just been chopping, we have seen about $110 million worth of ADA actually removed off of exchanges. So you're actually seeing long-minded people accumulate, remove off of exchanges, put into cold storage for the long term. And this is a trend that has been very consistent for ADA for quite some time. It's a trend that has led us to this cycle high that we just experienced. And it's a trend that has led us to supply shock hitting ADA price in a big way. And the crazy thing about this is now all the signs are pointing to this just being the start of something even bigger that is about to come. And why I'm saying that is if we look at the data and we look at, what the average length of time of transacted ADA is in the open market, it's 3 to 4 months. And that actually puts us out to about this point where we're getting to what should be the end of our wave 3 extension in the Elliott wave. That's around March and April, right? The time I've been talking about where we would probably see the next slowdown, cool down point in the market. And this may be in fact where we see a new all-time high in terms of ADA, $3, $4, somewhere in that range would make a lot of sense. Maybe higher, depending on how the supply shock hits, depending on where that capital hits, stuff like that, right? So this is kind of the warning point for people. This is what I've been talking about time and time again. We need to be watching these fundamentals. We need to be watching this supply just disappear across the market. It is happening very quickly. And the crazy thing is it's going to happen even faster as we actually get into alt season, as we actually get into big times of retail flow, retail adoption, which is in fact coming. The signs are here already. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, if you guys do want to obviously check out Margex, there is a referral link in the description below. You guys can definitely check that out. I've been using Margex like crazy. You guys know this. I use it for ADA, for SHIB, for many other assets throughout the space. Know that there is some risk when it comes to leverage, so definitely play things cautiously if you're new. But I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. What you think is going to happen here? Are you thinking we're going to continue to see this supply shock? And is it going to hit in an even bigger way than what we're experiencing right now? Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.